Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. And I'm sure you guys have read the title, so let's jump right in, okay? I am so excited that the RevAir is finally in the UK. It came out, I want to say last year, and literally I have watched everybody and their mother's review and demo of this tool. My hair has been freshly washed, and I haven't applied any leave-in or anything like that. It feels super soft. So I'm gonna go in with some leave-in, some heat protectant, and I'm gonna come back so we can jump in. And it says to start on like small sections. So not only did I read the instructions in the manual, I also watched a video on the website, because the instructions on the manual was like completely different to what I've seen people on YouTube doing, which is moving it up and down the shaft. And they specifically say not to do that. So they were like, yeah, check out the video online. So I went online to have a look, and yeah, they said don't do that. So I won't be doing that. But my hair is thoroughly detangled. I actually detangled it with my Tangle Wrangler when I was washing my hair, just because I knew I was going to do this. So here comes the exciting part. Okay, so this is, the hair goes in here. I mean, you guys know this. I know if I've watched a million videos, I know you have. Like, we are in this together. We're having this moment together. So excited, okay. It does say, ooh, I've just turned it on. I'm gonna show you guys actually. So when you turn it on, the light comes on. That's so cool. And it does say to start on 2. This is literally my Dyson. Like my Dyson, it makes the same noise as my Dyson. So I'm gonna start it on 2, and I'm gonna do this like the rest of the video in silence, so you guys can watch and enjoy. And like, I will turn it off and speak every now and then, but yeah, let's get going.
Call me when it's late and I feel lifeless, while I question if your love is really timeless. Loveless, yes, no, I want more. Crave, yes, your love I do adore. AM calls, let me speak my mind. Do you really wanna talk, or are you just kind? Love, I find it quite cool. Love can't be taught like some things are in school. Energy between us mutual. I don't want it if it isn't. That's so very unusual. No, I like it mutual. Mutual. Is this energy between us mutual? I don't want it if it isn't. That's so very unusual. No, I like it mutual. Now senseless, loving reckless, guards down, now my heart's out here defenseless. I be breathless, stressless, morning beautiful, fuels me up like breakfast. Loveless, yes, no, I want more. Crave, yes, your love I do adore. Love, I find it quite cool. Love can't be taught like some things are in school. Energy between us mutual. I don't want it if it isn't. That's so very unusual. No, I like it mutual. Mutual. Is this energy between us mutual? I don't want it if it isn't. That's so very unusual. No, I like it mutual. Is it equal? Is it balanced? Real or just unbalanced? Tell me, are you committed? Are we perfectly fitted? Fitted in your heart, or is there space for us to part? Tell me now. Loveless, yes, no, I want more, want more. Crave, yes, your love I do adore, love I find it.
So this is it. I have blown out my hair, and I wanted to come in here and give you guys I love it, obviously. First and foremost, let's just get that straight. I absolutely love this device. My hair feels really, really soft. And more importantly, I hardly lost any hair, which is usually something that I find quite difficult when I blow dry my hair, is that like my hair just falls out. But it feels really, really soft. I hardly lost any hair, so I'm really pleased. And I just want to tell you guys how I use the device and things that I found helpful. So first things first, I used mine on suction 7. I mean, I worked my way to 7 because I was trying to find which one worked for me. I started on 2, ended up on 7, found 7 to be the best one for me. And then I also used the heat on high, which is 2. So on this dial right here, I used this one dominantly. So I would go in at 7 on heat for about 20 seconds, and then I would turn it off. Once you turn the heat off, it's still suctioning, but on cool air, so there's no heat, so it's just like a cool air. So I'd blast the area with that cool air for about maybe like another 20 seconds, and then I would move on. And that's basically how I got this. I've seen people who have gotten it like super bone straight, and I think that's because they probably did it for like a longer period, because I know you can go up to like 90 seconds, but I found that I didn't need to do that. What else was a good tip? So that's basically how I used it. And so in terms of my thoughts on the actual device, like I said, I really enjoyed using it. It is very like cumbersome. It's like a huge thing, but you're not having to hold like the whole thing while you're using it. You're just using the wand attachment, which actually over a period of time does feel super heavy, especially if you're doing your own hair, which I'm guessing if you're buying this you probably will be. But if you've got like a bigger kind of family and you're using it on like your children's hair and stuff like that, I don't think it feels as bad or as heavy. I don't know, I just feel like when you're just doing your own hair, it's just a lot. So you guys would have seen me like really just resting and stuff like that, or just doing this because it's easier than doing that. But yeah, that's like my first con about this product. Other than that, I didn't really find like any issues with it. I really enjoyed using it. Now let's talk about price, because it is expensive. It's super expensive. You know, I've always said on my channel, everybody has their vices. Some people like designer handbags. Some people are willing to spend like big money on like their hair care. I'm neither here nor there. And this is definitely an investment piece. So if you were to buy it, you know, I mean, it's a lot of money. It's something that I guess you'd be, I guess if you've got like loads of like, if you're like a big natural hair family and there's quite a few of you and you're making use of it, then it's awesome. For me, just because I don't blow dry my hair that often, but I'm glad I have this now, because when I do blow dry my hair, this is what I'm now going to use. I absolutely love it. But yeah, in that sense, I probably wouldn't have invested in it because of the price, but actually using it, like I really enjoy it. And if it's something that I would have gone halfsies with a friend or something just so we could have it, I probably would have, just because I enjoyed it so much. But yeah, I mean, I'm guessing most of my American subbies, you've already gone through the dilemma of like, should I, shouldn't I? So let me know if you own one. That would be awesome. For all my UK people, I'd love to know what you're thinking. What are your thoughts? I'm sure most of you, like me, have binged. You've binged the majority of the reviews that have been online. I mean, yeah, so I'd love to know your thoughts. And I thought I would also mention, because I can't remember if I've told you guys, but I trimmed my hair. No, I did a haircut back in February when I straightened my hair for my birthday. and I also trimmed my hair just before I got my braids. You guys might recall that I'm trying to even out my hair, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's like getting closer and closer to being more even. And I'm actually gonna trim it again right now, but I thought I'll show you guys. So I'm not waist length anymore, I do not think. I think I'm back at mid back length. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know I've enjoyed this product. And by the way, this is not like a sponsored video or anything like that. I was gifted it, but these are obviously, you know, it was up to me whether or not I shared this video or whether or not like I, you know, spoke about the product. But I decided to because I was excited, and number two, I actually ended up liking it, so why not? Yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video.
I dare you to learn how to love. I dare you to learn how to love. Baby, I dare you to learn how to love. Baby, I dare. Love's a stimulator, danger creator, heartbreaker, yeah, elevator. Can't be summed up on a calculator. So I say let's try love. Let's do it, babe, regards all the danger. Take me over like say you're a raider. Trade emotions, pretend I'm a trader. So I say let's try love. Baby, I dare you, I dare you, I dare you, I dare you. Baby, I dare you, I dare you, I dare you to learn how to love. And baby, I dare you, I dare you, I dare you, I dare you. And baby, I dare you, I dare you, I dare you to learn how to love. Now, not later, brave but be braver. In control, you're your own.